A warm smile and a short promise. I'll show you how a tiny diagonal mark turns letters into a sweet, short A sound, the most common vowel we'll meet in the Quran. Welcome, dear listener. I'm delighted you're here. Let's begin our journey toward a clearer Quran reading. The Fatha, a small diagonal line placed above a letter, signals the short A sound. Think of it as a tiny arrow pointing upward, guiding the reader. When added to a consonant, it gives that consonant an audible, brief A. For example, the letter B becomes Bay and is pronounced Ba. The same shape works with any consonant. Ta is Ta, Ka is Ka, and so forth. This vowel is the most frequent in Arabic. It appears in many everyday words. It does not change the consonant's shape, but it changes the sound entirely. The Fatha is always written above the letter, even when it follows a shada or is the first letter of a word. Understanding that this little mark adds a short vowel is the key to smooth, accurate Quran recitation. Let's look at some familiar verses. In the opening verse of Surah Al-Fatiha, the word Bismi contains a Fatha on the B, giving B. In Surah Al-Ikhlas, the word Inna has a Fatha on the N, pronounced Inna. The word Mel includes a Fatha on the L, making Mala. If you see a word like Rasul, the Fatha on the R yields Ra. Notice how the same small line consistently produces the short Aa sound across different consonants. In Surah Al-Baqarah, the sentence Yarju Yukhriju uses Fatha on the G, giving Ja. These examples show the rule in action, helping you read each word correctly and confidently.